following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 2:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for San Francisco County in Northern California, northwestern San Mateo County in Northern California, until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near El Granada, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Pacifica, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Francisco, Daly City, South San Francisco, San Bruno, Pacifica, Burlingame, Millbrae, Hillsborough, El Granada, Brisbane, Colma, Broadmoor, Montara, and Moss Beach. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in San Francisco, California.